Hello and welcome to the Pirate Gym. My name is Patrick and today we will make a microwave cake together. First we need a bottle with fruits 400 grams. Then we need 200 grams rice flour, 1 egg, 250 grams white egg and 50 grams from myprotein pancake mix. Okay, let's start. First, we take the rice flour and give it in the bottle. Then the egg. And the white egg. And then the protein pancake mix. 50 grams. Okay, then we mix it. Mixing is finished. Now it comes 40 minutes by 700 watt in the microwave. The cake is finished. It looks so nice. It has 1179 calories and 191 carbs, 84 grams protein and 11 grams fat. Bye.